Constitutional Law One-Liner Part 1 by Dr. Deepak Miglani. Students, one-liner helps you in solving the objective type questions. Constitution is generally defined as fundamental law of the land. Which of the following has been considered supreme as a source of power? Constitution of India. What is the chief source of political power in India? The people. Who is the source of legal authority or sovereignty in India? Constitution of India. Ultimate sovereignty lies in people. On which date Constitution of India was adopted and enacted by the Constituent Assembly? 26th November 1949. Indian Constitution came into force on 26th January 1950. The members of the Constituent Assembly were elected by the provincial assemblies. Provincial Constitution Committee of the Constituent Assembly had been chaired by Sardar Patel. Who was the permanent chairman of the Constitution Assembly? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The Indian Constitution is written constitution. The Indian Constitution is largely based on the Government of India Act 1935, which is not a salient feature of the Constitution of India. Committed judiciary. In a parliamentary system, the executive is responsible to legislature. The structure of the Indian Constitution is federal in form and unitary in spirit. The Constitution of India has created a very strong center. The Constitution establishes a system of government which is almost quasi-federal. This was a statement of Professor K.C. Weir. The Constitution of India describes India as a union of states. Our Constitution provides for the Constitution of the Union and all the states except Jammu and Kashmir. Article 1 of the Constitution of India declares India as a union of states. The territory of this union of states comprises states, union territories and territories which may be acquired. In which year Sikkim was associated in Indian Union? 1975. Dealing with the chapter of citizenship under the Constitution, the Supreme Court has held that Sonia Gandhi, the President of Congress I, is not an Italian citizen but is an Indian citizen because she is governed by the Citizenship Act 1955. The concept of Panchayati Raj has been introduced in our Constitution by the insertion of Article 243 to 243O by 73rd Amendment. Panchayati Raj system was adopted to introduce a form of local self-government at the village, block and district levels. In whose time period the panchayats were given the constitutional status? P.V. Narasimha Rao. Thank you. Students, if you have any query, please feel free to contact us.